Hello folks, Sam Owens here, and we have completed the ROKR Pinball Machine. This is it, and we're going to do a demonstration to show you how much fun you can have with this. The assembly is one portion of the really great challenge that you can have for assembling the pinball machine. A lot of fun. All right, let's look at what we get. You have the ramps here. You have 1, 2, and 3 that you can gain scores from. There's sensors in here at this point, and up here for this one. So that will record the scores. You're going to see the scores go all the way up to 1,000. And if you get like 600, you'll have the stars up to this point right here, and 7, all of these will be not lit. Okay, you've got a bell here, and you've got 3 bumpers there that the ball can just, like any pinball machine, just go all around and really have fun. This is an interesting ramp here in that the ball, if you kick it up there, it goes back around and comes down this chute and drops out and then ready to shoot again. If you get over into this area or the ball goes straight down, you'll hear a sour sound, and meaning that you lost the ball. And then there's ball counters right here that will count like 5 balls you get, I believe it is. Well, you use the same ball over and over. If you lose it, it's going to go right down into here and ready to shoot it right here. The ball is in there ready to go. Over here are some spare balls that if something happens to the ball or you lose it, you've got more balls, 6 balls over here that you can pull out. You could play more than 1 ball if you want, just for added fun. And you can push this in so it's out of the way. Now, power is supplied by a USB cord. This is a Class A that will go into any power adapter. This is a power station or a charger and it supplies power for our demonstration. Now, on the back is the place you put your power lead right here. As soon as I plug this in, it's going to start lighting up. And there you go. This is the warm-up condition. Now, when it first cranks up, and at the beginning of each game, that's the way it starts. You've got lights all around and lights up here, and on the side you don't have any lights underneath. But let me show you, if you decide you just want this to sit on a display table playing music, there's a switch up underneath, and I'm going to show it right here. Right there is the switch. Now my ball come out of the chute, and now I'm going to put it back in here once I catch it. Okay, and I can put it right back in there. There's a plastic guard here, so if you need to add a ball, you can put it right in here. Okay, now I'm going to turn that on and we'll see what happens. It just plays that tune over and over, so it could sit on a table and draw attention when you have company and say, "What is that?" And you can go in and let them play it. It's an attention getter. And it doesn't turn the machine on, it only plays music. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. Okay, now we're ready to play. Okay, we're ready, and let me just start out by showing you something here. This moves all around, and the ball is right down there, And you'll have to develop a movement of either up, down, or sideways to hit the ball just right so that it will travel all the way out and drop down here. Now I'm going to try the first one. But before I do, I want to show the flippers. You can push them as slow as you want, or to catch the ball. You'll see me catch it sometimes. And you can do them both at the same time. Sometimes when it's coming down, one will deflect the other. So you need to develop some flipper skills for holding the ball so that you can let it roll down and shoot it. All right, let's get going. And I'm going to pull the first ball. And it looks like there's 6 balls. There's the lights right there, the little triangle lights. You probably can see them. Okay, now we're going to try it. All right. You want to give it a good pull, and there. Wait. Whoop. And one thing, when I assembled, I didn't push these all the way in, so they create a little crevice, but you just got to rock it a little bit. And oh, there's that sound. So that was my first ball. Now, I've got 5 balls left. That one kind of isn't lit up. Okay, let's see. Ah, there. There, I got that one. Again. Oh. And I have these a little bit, there's a ridge right there. I lost him. Okay. Anyway, you need to develop a little skill there. See, that's what I meant. There. Ah, that one went all the way around. There, that one's there again. It gets caught behind the... Whoa! I'm hitting it a little too hard. Oh, lost him. Okay, so far I got 400 points and I got 3 balls left. Oh. Okay, and this counts my balls. I got 2 balls left. Oh, I tried to mess with the holding the ball. Whoop. Okay, you got to get the ball just right. There. I'm gonna get, ooh, almost. Ah, I got that one again. Oh, I got that one. Perfect, got both of these. I just haven't got that. Oh, look. Now that's gonna be some higher scores. I made it, 1,000. Okay, that's the top score, 1,000. So there is the game. It's a lot of fun. And you just practice with your flipper control as I showed you. And I was pushing it too hard, so you gotta learn to use the flippers correctly, and it's still a lot of fun. Okay, I wanna thank you very much for watching the video.